morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is your life in the grassland. As you know, in your chapter number 8, 9 and 10, we have a different type of zones. We have studies, that is your some tropical, temperate and desert zone. So in this chapter, in this all three, we will discuss about the lifestyle and geographical condition and their daily livelihood या their activities. What kind of activities happening in these regions and what about the peoples? लोग कैसे रहते हैं? Okay. So the all the things we will discuss in this 8, 9 and 10 chapter of the regions. So 8th chapter we have discussed the tropical regions. ट्रॉपिकल रीजन्स के लोगों के बारे में डिस्कस किया. सो नाउ कम टू योर चैप्टर नंबर 9. इन विच चैप्टर नंबर 9 we will discuss about the people who are living in your grasslands. Okay, so as you know, you have a grassland. When you will get the grasslands, we have discussed in a chapter number 6, natural vegetation. So second type of vegetation is your grasslands. And the grassland, when we will find where rainfall will be your moderate level and temperature will be also moderate. So moderate temperature and moderate rainfall, in those type of area we will find which kind of a vegetation, grasslands types of a vegetation. So your grasslands is coming, so according to the your geographical conditions, grasslands can be two types, that is your tropical type of a grassland and temperate type of a grassland. So tropicals means the grasslands we will come in the region of tropicals. जो tropicals के regions में आएंगे, tropical zone में आएंगे, that type of a grassland will be called as tropical grassland. Next one is your temperate grassland. Temperate we have already discussed in the globe which zone is your, which kind of a zone come in which category. Okay, हाँ means किस latitude से किस latitude तक आपका zone किस category में आता है. तो temperate is generally your 23 degree north from आपका 10, okay, 0 to 23 north to above. Okay, means you are from tropics to above regions like your Arctic and Antarctica circle. That region is come into your category of temperate zone, and the grassland which we will find in this zone, इस zone में जो आपको grassland मिलेगा will be called as your temperate grassland. So one of the example of your temperate grassland is your prairies. Okay, prairies is one kind of a grassland which will come in the category of temperate, means temperature will be here moderate level of temperature. आपका prairies में क्या होगा, ठंडा थोड़ा सा होगा. Okay, so prairies is generally you found in the which continent, that is your North America continent. In between your you can say that your USA, mainly in the part of your United States of America and some parts of Canada. In a North America there is a two prominent countries like your Mexico and all the other countries you will see in your NCERT book. So two most prominent country is your USA and Canada. So the prairies, you can see the locations of the prairies are in between your some major parts of USA and some part of your Canada. In those regions you will find a very vast grasslands, एक बहुत बड़ा घास का मैदान मिलेगा, that will be known as your prairies. उसको आप कहेंगे prairies. The prairies are generally treeless lands. Treeless means वहाँ पे you will not find the forest here. आपको वहाँ पे forest नहीं मिलेगा. Trees, the trees will be can't be find here. Prairies में आपको trees कम मिलेंगे, but you can find the grasslands. Okay, आपको grasslands मिलेंगे and the grass can be 2 meter long and high. आपको 2 meter long length की आपकी घास भी मिल सकती है. ठीक है. So now come to the after the prairies we have discussed the geographical locations of the prairies, which is known as our sea of grass. Sea of grass means घास का समुद्र. Like your sea of ocean, water का समुद्र, ऐसी आपका घास की समुद्र कहते हैं prairies को. Okay. So now we will discuss the some factors of Paris. So one of the most factor is what kind of a climate we will found in Paris. So climate, as we know, it is your kind of a grassland. So it will according to the ये आपका एक grasslands है. So temperature will be moderate. So temperature your summer can be warm till your 20 degree temperature can be raised in summer till your above your 20 degree Celsius to above till the 20 degree Celsius. As you know, in a winter temperature can be very low, like your -20 degree centigrade. Temperature can be this much low, -20 degree Celsius. And you will find in a winter you will find the bed sheets like a sheets of your snow. All the area will be covered with the snow. Snow से covered हो जाएगा आपका area in the during the time of your winters. Okay, and what about the rainfall? As you know, this is the grassland, so rainfall will be your moderate. कैसा rainfall होगा? Moderate. Some areas some of the areas in your Paris can be receive average rainfall, that is your 50 centimeter. Average rainfall throughout the year will be your 50 centimeter in your region, some regions of your Paris के कुछ इलाकों में. Okay, this is all about your climate. Now come to the some vegetation or what kind of a flora or fauna you are finding there. Okay, so there is some regions in which in a Paris two major rivers, that is Mississippi and other river from the your Canada are flowing. So they are making the land here very fertile. Soil will be very fertile. Soil आपकी क्या होगी? Fertile होगी, because water we have a plenty of water available there in this region. Water आपका available है. And some areas of this Paris which is lower regions, आपके थोड़े से lower है and slightly slopy है, that receive 50 centimeter of a rainfall. So those regions which is receiving that much of rainfall, that is your average 50 centimeter, it will be good for your farming, because land is already, soil is already fertile, water is already available, and sometimes we are receiving a moderate rainfall as well as. Okay, so this all the condition makes this some areas of this Paris will be good for farming purpose. And the most of the major crops are your maize, that is your maca. After that sometime your wheat. Okay, wheat production in United States is one of the largest in the world. Okay, largest है. That's why your Paris are known as granary of the world. Granary means धान का आपका एक तरीके से आपका ग्रेनरीज क्या होती है? आपकी अनाजों का, वर्ल्ड का अनाज का साधन है ये आपका ग्रेनरीज, बिकॉज दैट मच wheat प्रोडक्शन, दैट इज योर गेहूं का प्रोडक्शन यहाँ पे क्या है? बहुत ज्यादा हाई है पेरिस में. ओके, सो मेजर क्रॉप इज वेयर. आफ्टर दैट सम ऑफ द अदर क्रॉप्स लाइक योर wheat एंड अदर क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोइंग, बट द मेजर क्रॉप ऑफ दिस रीजन इज योर मेज, दैट इज योर मक्के. मक्के की खेती यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम लेवल पे होती है. समवेयर वेयर द रेनफॉल, वेयर द फार्मिंग आर नॉट पॉसिबल इन दोस एरिया, सो cattle farming, cattle will be means आपका cattle's rearing is very famous here. Cattle's rearing means you can make the thread, making the thread or making the wool from the hair of the animals के animals के hair से आप क्या बनाएंगे? wool का production करेंगे. So it is very famous in this cattle rearing. Okay, जानवरों को पालना and cattle rearing. Apart from farming, this activity is also very famous in this region, and you will find a large number of ranches here, whom we will call ranch. Ranch means in the a very large area in which we are आप क्या कर रहे हैं? जानवरों को पाल रहे हैं and doing all the cattle activity like your dairy activity, rearing activities and all the other activities. Okay, so one of the most famous animal in your Paris region is your bison. Is a wild type of a buffalo, one kind of a species of buffalo, it known as your bison, and it is one of the most famous animal in this region, Paris regions. Okay, And when now the third factor is your peoples. How about the peoples here? So people is very hard working in their region. That's why you will see the most of the, you can say the one of the most developing area you will find in your Canada and USA. The technologies are very good, so all the technologies they are using in an agriculture purpose as well as, okay. सब आपके most of the developed countries आपकी कौन है, USA and Canada है. So you can say that if the countries are developed, so people's mind will be very already will be developed. So technology is very high and receiving they are using the numbers of technology in your farming purpose, okay. That's why their agriculture production is very high as well as, okay. And some of the mines you will find here. So industrial area will be also very famous. Industrial area है because we are getting the coal, iron and all the other essential things which is important for the development of your industries. So all the most of the industries and dairies as well as is there. So this is all about your the prairies grasslands, okay. In the next topic we will discuss the next type of a grassland, that is your tropical grassland. I hope you understand this topic very well. Thank you.